Welcome to all dear student. My name is Muhammad Shweb. Today our topic is rearranging harder formula. So our first question, make A the subject of the formula. So this is our given equation. So then we find the value of A, or we rearrange this formula in the form of A. So let's start. First of all, here we have 5a plus 2 equal to 10 minus ab. So now in next step we move this plus to other end. So here we have plus 2. If we move this plus 2 equal to other end, then we have 10 minus ab, and this plus 2 here we have negative 2. So now here we have 10 and here we have minus 2. So 10 minus 2 we have 8, and here we have minus AB. So here we have 5A. Now we shift this minus AB to here. So here we have 5A. So now we shift this minus AB to here. So here we have plus AB equal to 8. Now here we have a common, so we take a common on both sides. So here we have 5 plus b equal to 8. So now we want to calculate the value of a, but here we have 5 plus b. So now we divide on both sides, divide with 5 plus b. So here we divide both sides with 5 plus b. Here we have 8 equal to 8. So here we divide 5 plus b. So here we cancel out 5 plus b with 5 plus b. So we have only a equal to 8 over 5 plus b. So this is our final answer. So I hope you got it. Our next question, make B the next subject of the formula AB plus 5 equal to 6B. So in this question, we want to calculate B, or we make formula with respect to B. So here we have AB plus 5. Now we take away this AB to other end. So here we have 5. So here we write 5 equal to 6B minus AB. So here we write 5. Now we take B common. So we write here B. So here we have only 6 minus, if we take B common, so we have only A. So now we want to calculate B. So but here we have extra term like 6 minus A. So now we divide both side with this term 6 minus A. So we divide on both side with 6 minus A. So here we have 5, so we divide both side with 6 minus A. So we cancel out this 6 minus A with 6 minus A. So we have B, which is equal to 5 over 6 minus A. So this is our final answer, or we write like B equal to, so B equal to, so we write here B equal to 5 over 6 minus a. So this is our final answer. So I hope you got it. Now our next question 3. So in question 3 we have make a the subject of the formula. So here we have a into b plus 3 equal 2 into 4a plus c. Now first of all we multiply this a with this term and we multiply this term. So now we have ab plus multiply a with 3, so we have 3a equal to, now we multiply 2 with 4, so we have 2 for the 8, so we have 8a to multiply with this c, so we have 2c. Now here we have ab and here we have 3a equal to 8a plus 2c. Now we take away this 3 to here, so here we have ab equal to 8a plus 2c, and here we take away this 3a here, so we have, here we have plus 3a, now we write here minus 3a, so 8a, this 8a and minus 3a, so we have 5a, so 5a plus 2c, here we write as it is ab. So now we have AB and here we have 5A. So now we take away this 5A here. So here we write AB minus 5A equal to C. So now we take common A. So we write here A into B minus 5. So B minus 5 equal to C. Now we want to calculate A, so we divide both side with B minus 5. So here we have A into B minus 5. So we divide both side with B minus 5. So 2C divided by B minus 5. So we cancel out this B minus 5. So here we write A equal to 2C over b minus 5. So this is our final answer. I hope you got it. So we make it for A. Now our next question 4. So in question 4, make it for B, subject the formula. So we have A into B minus 2 and here we have B into C minus A. So first of all we multiply A with B and then we multiply with 2. So here we write AB minus 2A equal to BC and B multiply with minus 1. So we write here BC minus B1 the B. So here we have minus B. Now here we have AB minus 2A equal to BC minus B. So now we take away this 2A to here. So we write here AB equal to BC minus B plus 2A. Now we take away these two terms. So here we have BC minus B. So first of all we take away this BC here. So we write here AB minus BC. Now we take this minus B to here, so we have plus b. So we write here plus b and equal this remaining term 2a. We write as it is. Now we take b common from this term. So if we take b common from these two terms, then we have b into a minus c. So here we have plus 1 equal to a. So now we want to calculate the value of b. So we divide both sides with a minus c plus 1. So here we divide a minus c plus 1, a minus c plus 1 equal to a divided by a minus c plus 1. So we cancel out this term. So here we write b equal to 2a minus c plus 1. So this is our final answer. So I hope you got it. Now our next question 5. So in question 5 we have make u the subject of the formula. So this is our question, v square equal to u square plus 2as. So now we want to calculate the value of u. So we take away this 2s here. So here we have v square minus 2as equal u square. So we want to calculate the value of u. So but here we have u square. So how to remove this square? So we take both side square root. So we write here take square root on both side. Take square root on both side. So here we have v square minus 2as equal to u square. So we take square root. So this sign used for square root, and here we take square root on both sides. Now we cancel out this square with square root. So our final answer is u equal to square root v square minus 2as. So this is our final answer. So I hope you got it. Now our next question, make a the subject of the formula. So in this question we want to calculate a. So here we have v square equal to u square plus 2as. So now we take away this u square here. So we write here v square minus u square equal to as. So now we want to calculate the value of only a, but here we have 2s is extra term. So now we divide both sides with this term. So now here we have 2as. So we divide both sides with 2s. So these two cancel with these two and s cancel with s. So we have only a. So a equal to v square minus u square over 2s. So this is our final answer. So I hope you got it. Now our next question 7. In question 7 we have make a the subject of the formula. So here we have s equal ut plus half a t square. So here we want to calculate the value of a. So now we have s. So we shift this ut here, so we write here like s. Now we shift this ut, take away here, so we write s minus ut equal half 1 over 2 a t square. So now we multiply both side with 2. Why we multiply both side with 2? Because we want to remove this 2. So here we write 2, into bracket we have s minus ut, and here we multiply 1 over 2 a t square, so we multiply with 2. So these 2 cancel with these 2. So we have only a t square, and here we have 2 into s minus ut. So now we want to calculate the value of a, but here we have t square. So now we divide both side with t square. So here we have t square, and now we divide here with t square. So this t square cancel with this t square. So a equal to, so now we write a equal to 2 into s minus ut over t square. So this is our final answer. So I hope you got it. Now our next question 8, make V the subject formula T equal to 1 over 2 mv square. So here we want to calculate formula for V. So here we have to divide. So now if we take away these two here, so we have 2t equal to mv square. So now we want to calculate the value of V, but here we have mv square. So first of all we divide both side with m. So now we divide here mv square with m. So we divide both side with m. So m cancel with this m. So here we have only v square. So we write here 2t divided by m. So now we want to calculate the value of v, but we have v square. So how we remove this v square into v? So we take square root on both sides. So we take square root on both sides. So here we have 2t over m. So now we cancel square with square root. So our final answer is v equal to square root 2t divided by m. So this is our final answer. So v equal to 2t. So square root 2t over m. So this is our final answer. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.